We're now back in Makati after spending a week in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Dusit Thani Hotel was our home in the Philippines for 16 days. The lobby was super spacious and really impressive. And then it must be this here, over here. Oh, there's a water here. So I think it's a water. Yeah.
Jug for water too.
1042. Must be this one. 1051. Here. Oh, very nice. Close to the elevator. This is the washroom, just one sink. I prefer two sinks, but there's only one sink. Okay. It's almost the same size as the Best Western. The bathroom, the toilet. Yeah, I know. And here's the bedroom. I mean the. Oh, we have some fruits here. Dusit Thani. Oh, okay. Another personalized welcome home. We are delighted to have you back. We look forward to serving you with our hospitality and wish you a wonderful stay. Please do not hesitate to contact any team members for any assistance you need. Graciously yours, Suban Chandra. Okay, and those are the fruits. And the plate. And our crate and barrel. Oh, the SM right in front of us.
What's happening?
Yeah.
Oh, the whole wall is right in front of us.
The sweet one. What's in here? That's a fridge. Oh, with cold water. And there's some glass, but I don't trust the glass. Oh, there you go. And what's in here? Dusit Thani.
What's on your nose?
My nose?
The cover?
No. It's
Oh, just shadow.
shadow. Holy cow, Tim. I don't have kulangot. Okay, Nescafe. Oh, you have some coffee, chamomile, peppermint, Ceylon tea, and Earl Grey. Oh, that's it. And here's a bedroom. I mean what's this one here? Save Our Earth. And here's a bed, king size bed. And we don't have our luggage yet, so where did you put my shoes? Where did you put my shoes, Tim? You shot there in the bathroom. And let's see. I have to find a shoes or slippers if there is any. Oh, there's a slipper. I need a slipper. Here's my slipper. Oops. Here's cotton buds, sanitary bag, shower cap, nail file, and 2 toothbrushes. Yeah, this is almost as big as the Best Western bathroom, and I think same size as the Best Western as well. Hmm?
Nice staircase. Isn't it?
Yeah. Hi. Okay, I'll have yung salmon head, sinigang. Yeah. Does it come with rice?
Yes,
Okay.
And I'll have the butter chicken.
Indian butter chicken.
What was that?
Indian butter.
Indian
Yeah, the
noodles.
butter chicken. Yeah.
Anything else, ma'am?
I think that's about it. Okay. Thank you. I ordered sinigang, a salmon head. I didn't realize it's this big. That's Tim's food.
Indian chicken.
It says butter chicken, right?
Indian noodles.
And this is the sinigang salmon head. It's good for two, or maybe more. This is Tim's order, the Indian butter chicken. I ordered the sinigang na salmon head. It was very tasty, but it was a big serving and I couldn't finish it all. Here's a complimentary dessert, a mix of fresh fruits. After a good night's rest, we headed downstairs for lunch at the buffet in the Pantry restaurant. They have a wide variety of food at the hotel. I tried to sample most of the dishes, but I mainly focused on the kare-kare since I rarely get to eat it at home. If you're a hotel guest, you get a discount on the buffet. This is the view from our hotel room during the day. The street below is EDSA. I'm not too sure which part of Manila those tall buildings belong to. And that's it for our stay at Dusit Thani in Makati. We had a great time enjoying the food, the comfy room, and the super convenient location. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.